how to create Twilio account. In this video, I'll show you how to create a Twilio account. So to get started, go ahead and search for twilio.com into your preferred browser, and that will take you here. So click on the Start for Free button to be able to create an account on Twilio, and that will redirect you into this section. Now in here, you can go ahead and proceed on entering your first name, last name, email address, and password. So make sure that you meet the requirements that you have below before you click on that continue button at the bottom of your screen. So if you don't follow, you'll be asked to re-enter your password. So make sure this time it contains and meets the requirements below, and then after that, click on continue. So that will redirect you in here. Go ahead and enter your credentials that you just entered on registering or signing up for an account on Twilio. And then once you have entered that will redirect you into this section. So open your Google Mail and then go ahead and copy the code sent to you by Twilio to verify your email address. After that, go ahead and click on that verify button, and that will take you into this section. So in this section, you need to go ahead and provide your mobile number. So enter your mobile number, and then once you have entered it, you can go ahead and receive a verification code through SMS or voice call. So simply select from the two of these options. Go ahead and check your mobile phone and then enter the verification code sent to you by Twilio on your phone number, and then click on that verify button to proceed on your dashboard. So in this section, make sure to download or copy your recovery code in case you lose your phone or don't have access to your verification device, and then click on continue. Now that will take you into your dashboard, and that is how you can basically create a Twilio account. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to give this video a like and subscribe for more videos like this.